So I was just working in the yard and lo and behold, FedEx truck pulled up. So, you know what that means. Another unboxing. However, this time, the mystery items come to us from Under Armour. So let's take a look at what we've got in this box. Looks like some golf clubs. And I will say this, I have been ordering and using Under Armour golf clubs over the last 3 years now. I think that they're pretty reasonably priced. Take a look there, that's $21.99 on that. Whoop, sorry, $21.99. That's what you can buy them in the shop for. I'm getting them for half that. And let's just take a look. I've got some larges here. I've got some mediums. Why have I got so many golf gloves? Why do I have different sizes? Not because they're for me. These are things that I hand out as sort of like gifts, incentive sort of scenarios for people that I'm friends with. Things that people love golf. I don't know what it is. I'm not a big golf guy. You can see USA Track and Field. That's my thing. That's what I do. But everybody else in the world seems to play a lot of golf. Anyway, so I got a couple larges, got a couple mediums. Let's pull out a large and get the reaction to it. Now you can see that this is the Strike Skin Tour. There were a couple other ones. I wanted to get the ones that had the United States flag across them. Inventory issues. I will say this, that is one thing that I struggle with understanding with Under Armour is what their inventory issues are. They had some issue with their entire system, I think last fall, where they redid everything. But I can tell you what, these, that's first look right out of the box. First look right out of the box. It's a good looking glove. Okay, let's try that on. I've been playing without a glove this summer. I do not prefer it. Now I do understand why people, I would say for me, the large is probably gonna be good. These things stretch over time. I'm gonna say I like that fit. It's a good look, clean looking glove, fantastic feel, nice and thin. Feels pretty good, I like that. That right there, fantastic glove. So you guys are getting first look. Under Armour Strike Skin Tour. Supple Cabretta leather, like this stuff is, it's nice, fantastic, I like it. So, there you go, that's our unboxing for the day. Just wanted to share that with you guys. What I'm getting from Under Armour, I'm sure that we'll have more items that'll be coming here, you know, throughout the next couple of months, and we'll share that stuff with you as we get it going. But again, I recommend these, the Under Armour golf gloves. They're great, they're fantastic, they're reasonably priced, they make a good product. I don't know anything about most of the rest of their golf stuff, but it's totally worth it. So, you know who you are, you got some golf clubs, or golf gloves coming your way. Thanks for joining us, guys. Have a great day.